Hello everyone and welcome back to Auto Express, the channel where we bring you the most detailed and exciting automotive reviews. Today's video is all about the 2026 Lamborghini Urus, a super SUV that continues to redefine performance, luxury, and presence. We're going to take a deep dive into the new exterior design, updated interior, performance upgrades, technology, and expected pricing. Make sure you watch until the end because this SUV is on another level. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Urus takes the already aggressive design language and sharpens it even further. At the front, you immediately notice the slimmer and more angular LED headlights featuring Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped daytime running lights. The front grille has been redesigned with a more pronounced hexagonal pattern, giving it a bolder and more technical appearance. The lower bumper features larger air intakes, not just for aesthetics but for improved airflow and cooling. Every line on the hood and front fascia feels intentional, sculpted to enhance aerodynamics while maintaining that unmistakable Lamborghini DNA. Moving to the side profile, the Urus continues to showcase its coupe-inspired SUV silhouette. The sloping roofline, muscular wheel arches, and massive available 23-inch alloy wheels create a powerful stance. The new wheel designs are lighter, contributing to better performance and handling. The side air vents and sharp character lines improve airflow efficiency while emphasizing the SUV's athletic character. From every angle, the Urus looks like it's ready to launch, even when standing still. At the rear, the 2026 model receives refined LED taillights with a more futuristic Y-shaped lighting signature. The rear bumper and diffuser have been redesigned to look more aggressive and aerodynamic. The quad exhaust setup remains, delivering not only a bold visual statement but also an unmistakable V8 soundtrack. The overall rear design enhances stability at high speeds and completes the SUV's dramatic presence. Now let's step inside, because this is where luxury meets cutting-edge technology. The interior of the 2026 Urus has been significantly upgraded. You're greeted by a new curved digital display layout that feels more modern and driver-focused. The infotainment system is faster, more responsive, and features improved graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the user interface has been simplified for better usability. The fully digital instrument cluster adapts depending on the selected driving mode, giving you performance-focused data in Casa mode or a more relaxed layout in Strada mode. The center console still features Lamborghini's iconic fighter jet-inspired start button cover, maintaining that dramatic supercar feel. However, the touch controls now offer improved haptic feedback, making them more intuitive and premium. Materials inside the cabin are top tier. Expect premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and customizable stitching options. Lamborghini offers expanded personalization through its ad personam program, allowing buyers to tailor colors and finishes to their exact preferences. The seats are ergonomically designed for both comfort and support, with available ventilation and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy generous space, making the Urus practical for daily use despite its extreme performance capabilities. Speaking of performance, this is where the 2026 Urus truly dominates. Under the hood, it continues with the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now further refined to produce around 670 horsepower or possibly more in updated trims. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is expected to remain in the low 3-second range, putting it firmly in supercar territory. Top speed is anticipated to exceed 305 km per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. The 8-speed automatic transmission works seamlessly with Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system, delivering exceptional grip and stability. The adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated for even better balance between comfort and sportiness. With active roll stabilization and rear-wheel steering, the Urus handles corners with surprising agility for a vehicle of its size. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight bends, this SUV feels composed and confident. There are strong rumors that certain 2026 variants may introduce enhanced hybrid technology, boosting both power output and efficiency. If implemented, this electrified system could provide instant torque while reducing emissions, aligning with the broader electrification strategy of Lamborghini. This would not only increase performance but also future-proof the Urus in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Braking performance is equally impressive. Massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure consistent stopping power even after aggressive driving. Steering feedback has been improved for greater precision, and the various drive modes, including Strada, Sport, Casa, Sabia, Terra, and Neve, completely transform the vehicle's character with the push of a button. On the technology and safety side, the 2026 Urus features an upgraded suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system are either standard or available depending on the market. Lamborghini has managed to blend cutting-edge safety tech with its performance-focused philosophy without compromising the driving experience. Now let's talk about pricing. The expected starting price for the 2026 Lamborghini Urus in the global market is estimated to begin around $250,000. Higher performance variants or hybrid trims could easily surpass the $300,000 mark, especially when equipped with options